This video is giving an overview of my lab. So first thing you guys need to understand is out of your grade for this course, how much of it is my lab? And then also how much of that is post-test and how much of that is homework. You should be able to answer that. And the answer is 30% of your whole entire grade. The biggest assignment you have in this course is my lab. And from that 30%, 60% of it is the post-test, which we take at the end of the week. And 40% is the homework. So we're going to go over how to do those and what my lab is. So first of all, online textbook. So to do the homework, you need to find the online textbook to read it, and that also is the information for the post-test. So to get to the homework, we're going to go to Student Tools and HTML. So on MyGUS, we're going to go ahead and click My Lab. Once we're in My Lab, I like to tell students to go on down to My Lab Writing Additional Resources, and we're going to click that. Now on the My Lab homepage, we're going to click Student Tools, and then after that, we're going to click HTML ebook. And then you have this link here that says open alternate version of your ebook. I like to right click and open in a new tab, which shows us the your textbook for the class, and it gives you a table of contents here, breakdown, so you can open these up. So to find the homework, let's go ahead. So here, for example, week 1, we're looking at the calendar, and here it says W7.1 essay development and W7.2 essay development thesis statement. So we're going to go back to the textbook. So for the essay development, we're going to click on part 3, the essay. We're going to click on writing the essay. And then here is all the topics that we will be going over, starting with explore topics. And as you see, it opens it up here on the right side. You can scroll down, read the text, just talking about choosing a topic. These little arrows down here turn the page. So you go to the next page. Talking about starting with a broad topic, essay topic, paragraph topic, giving different examples of topics here. What is hip hop culture? Narrowing your topic, and we go to the next page, and then it's going to go into the thesis statement and telling what that is, how it's a topic plus a controlling idea. I like to explain this as topic plus your opinion. So marriage has lost its importance to many people, young people in our society. This would be an example of a good topic sentence. A thesis. Here's a bad example of a thesis: gambling problems. Thesis: winning the lottery. It's another form of gambling. Would not necessarily lead to happiness, right? So this is topic and somebody's opinion. So again, a good thesis has topic and opinion. And so this is where you find your the homework topics, and then we're going to look at the calendar in My Lab. So here we are back in the My Lab course homepage, and this calendar is very helpful. This is where you guys remember you're going to check to see if your Pearson lockdown browser is working correctly, and the calendar is useful because this calendar shows you where things that are the next assignments that are due. So for example, this week, it says here on Thursday, July 2nd, there's going to be 7.1 post-test, 7.2 post-tests, and that post-tests are usually done in class on the last day of the week or the day before if there's a midterm in that week. And here, this one is showing the homework assignments. These are the different homework assignments, 7.1 and then 7.2. And again, the homework assignments are usually due before the post-test. I think this one was because the class started late, so I gave the students a couple extra days to do the homework. But again, you have to do the homework in order to do the post-test, to do well on the post-test. And like I said, lastly, post-test is the last thing that you do. It's not available now. As you see, you go over this one, you can click on it. This one won't be available till it's time to do it in class. So those are the things to be successful with My Lab. So make sure you go and check out the ebook, Student Tools, HTML, to go see the ebook. There is an e-text here as well. I just find it takes a really long time to load up. So that's why I like the ebook much better. Make sure you use your calendar to stay on top of your assignments and start getting through these, get them done. Because as you know, this My Lab is 30% of your overall grade for the course, and let's make sure that we're all successful. Okay, let's do it.